Hello, Nandamo, si Tukum 2019 CYONA Convention Special Guest Kuan Lian In Koramlekan Sommi Second Lady of Myanmar Dr. Aina Suituan Atuzana kan sina nakan telti khocha alom nak tam pikan ngai
alom tukve
zan khan dak zonga bitoi tha tu nakan chimi atu hikan piang thardi in kan tin tiga chun nakan chimi bia kha nun pile tu kan zom lai atu hi nangma na phan chan he chan sungloi si te kan ro e America ram ummi se hundang dang ummi se mino pol ni nandu mi question rakje lolo ama se behal na kan tua lai te kan ti question kha pakul deng mangara online ara e ma chu akhat pa mi jong khan len nai chu cha chun akhat mi pol ka chu kan bun phon na lai i ma kha kha atam de hui mi no pol an hal mi si cha khan zai mo chu ni chok pa mi jom khomen asina in mi no pol ni thin lung thiang ten an hal mi si cha khan an hal ning te khan kan bun kain kan bun hal chin ve ko lai lai holin a hal mian mirang holin a hal mian mi an sining te khan kan bun hal ko lai ama jong ni si kho chungin phit kho le ruap yak thiam khawin kan zuam te lo phit dinga na crm sa sai lo min sual sia khan chun hi chu ka vai de lo ti jong khan kan ti ko ana lo ten mu i sia chun ti ka muna thu mi si se online in live stream kan jong mi vial te nan kut kan tain ha kan question le barwana kan bun thok lai apakhat nak chu nan pa Vice President Atwan Nua Zaitinda na live athen anom nak le a harnak
athen mi chu athen ta ta ko anom nak le ka thok ko lai mo anom nak le a chun thil lai mi cha se ram cha se tua kan du mi tampi umme maka kan tuan kho nak mun ma kan phak ronga kan maka anuam nak se thank you apan ina ka ahar na chu security tel lo ko ka ma kan ka khau te lo zoom put lo da dia chun ma man ka zoom put ka zo ma sa piak a haw ma te dia kis te ka kan ahar ngai ve
si kan lom a question pan hi nak chu is Henry Van Thieu a good husband and father how and why an haldu mi chu Henry Van Thieu hi pasal silo le pa tha sim silo zaitin da si zerong na si ti mi se
pasal thale pa no father tha se thank you va cha kan lai pa vel te hi kan pa ban tok se lo ti ke kan du pyak na
wow
ma hi ta kan pa le kan jesi pa le kai ma kong he mi tampi ni zon thai lo Jesse pahi akadu tatak ruanga kan kumli akangak mi se
thấy có lô mấy
a good father zong seve Aryan atam tuk ruanga kan chan afa le cha kan chan tampi pe kholanak chan senain ngak chel liu ten kan achoza rian tuan du se ka mo ni afa le he ti ke chan ke toi do sinai ni fatin ke phone ke an kan chon mi ke ni fatin ni khata ken voi thum tiang juan kan chon le mang ko le afa le he communication akan de kan te lai khara selo na dinga mo azuam ke te lai cho atua kholo chan so ve ko sinai azuam ti mi kha chim ke ka lom
si tha tuk na lom tuk apathum naga USA athang mi mino ni kan ram le mi phuncha zaitinda contribution กันตัวโคไล
มา contribution ตัวโคหนักดิ่งกันapakah nak tu nan tiam nak ha nan tiam nak kan rekan tuan piu timika cak kan tu na tu lại tang zong se tu than chau nak kan betak ten ken kan kalpi te ka kan abipia her mi ka timikan timijo lai min no po ni kan marang hol kha betak ten tiam na se timaka kan du pyak na marakan marang hol nan tiam ba ka chu nan kan bom kho ko alom
กันลมทาตุกสีอาจุน question ปลีนักการจอลเขาไหลมั่ง
thank you
how do you get better from depression that is mostly caused by your parents ที่ฮัลดูมิจูนันูลนปารวงอินอช่วงมี depression จะหันตอนชิมปะค่ะที่บันทึก depression ในตอนที่กันใจตินดาในเตยโคใจตินนั้นนังมันนังมากที่ขัดสุขันลวดดิ่งหน้าตัวโคที่หน้าตัวที่
apakah nak tu cak nak cun nule pa zong ne sise how many kan chunga kan bian chimi bia tha lo po kha zoom loading kha som kan du na mai abi pi ngai te mi tu kan ma tu mi ne an kan ti mi ju control ตัว kho sala sina kan ma ne zaidana kan lak ti mi kha control ตัว kho se
yes
maka apakah nak maka control ตัว dinga kan chim kan du na apani naka an chim tu nule pa na kha na chim mi hi athat nak lengin athat na le nakin achat naka akasitar nang man na bia ronga kan kalung akafater mating kan ti than ning lo zaidina na rang ha tin tha tin ai au bui slow mo tha tin bia ruat ti ke in nan ma na feeling khaชิมมูโลติมิคะมาเตซองอัฐาไลติงกสม
ทาตุกกันลม question ปังอานักที่จุด gender เลยเดี๋ยววันสิจัง how challenging was it being a female and climbing the ladder to the top นูประคัดสิดักดินหุนินเรียนแรงสังวุนกายอาจุงเลยพันข้อนักดิ่งขี้ใจจุงดาฮาร์ใจจุงดาฮาร์มิตรเรียนดาซีเตียใจจุงฮาร์ดาซีเตียนรัวติเส
ฮาร์นักขากรัวแล้วใจเดนักกายข้อลายติลงขากรัว
ว้าว that's อามักจนตัวตุกันชาตุกันผิดเลยกันลมดังประคัดปังอานักปรุกนักกอลรัมเลไลรัม gender discrimination ฮีใจจุอินดาตัมนูเลปาไทยดันนักฮีน้ำหูโคบิกนักคอยกาซอนอาดาซี
กอลรัมมักนูเลปาไทยดันนักดิจูtu western country le he de tombate adang pa adang kati naga kan chu ubama western country ya can pay ya kan salary ya kan ani dang mi tampi sanai ko ram ku atam de ma kan ram chunga chun ma pantuk la sa le ya kan adang lo sanai promotion na chu adang pa promotion na kan chu nu sia chun promotion hi patak te an อาจารย์สาวปีอันรวยมักจะเบียกนักเล็กตีดูมีสโลจังมั้งคัตเลียกตีดูมีกจะอาจจะเรียนเล่คอมพานีเรียนนักขันจนใช้ดันนักเค salary เดี๋ยวว่าสโลว์ promotion ไกน่าเตน่า benefit เตน่าขันคอมพานีอาดังเท่าที่มีค่ะเร่ discrimination จะบักก่อนสนายแบบอักกัลนิ่งเตค่ะ discrimination ดังเตค่ะอาดัง
สิกันลมดังประคัด how do we change the female narrative that has been created by institutions that are largely headed by males ที่คือบูซิจงอาเรียนตัวหนักซิจงอาปาเดียวนี้ช่วยมี society เล่บัวหินคือปาเดียวนี่ช่วยเดียวมีบุคคาอีนูนำชุดเดียวนักรัวนักลุงเป็นมีขี้ใจตินนักกันเทนไล
pa le shroi bi hi chu an tam deu ko ma hi chu nin tiang hi chu khoi ka ke pa ke o me le rong at the patriarch hi kan ti mi pa ni uk nak hi chu tu hi tam deu chu kan kal pi ri le atam ma kan si te na kan thlen khol idea chun apakhat na ka kan ma nu zong ni khen pe tak ten qualify si kan ha. Yeah, do you agree with that? We need to be qualified instead of waiting for people to promote us, instead of people to give us space. If they don't want to give us space, then we create space. So do not dwell on a place that they will not use you. Do something or go somewhere where you will be used.
Hatuk dang pakhat bantuk chem kasi hoy America le ram thang chowa ka dum tiga hin nu he pa he mirang chain sau pi den tel mi si lai holen toy dem kun fen mi si nu he pa he rian kan tuani in kan phan tiga nu churol kan chuang fa le cha thil kan su fa le kan zau khan ha chutiga rian hi ngei bantuk kan si pa hi rian khan ngei bantuk long si ti lai pa pol ni hin in chung kol khara nu pi na nu rian bom ti mi han lunga lo ti bantuk lung pu hi je tin da kan khen je ti pung san in da kan khen kho lai ti na ruwa
Apakhat naga ro zong kai ma ka chuan hao in zong ten hao te ka khan zai pa pa hi kai ma rian si rong a khan ro e zong kai ma rian si kau tin chim kau ro zong nan e kho te lai lo ti chim da lo sa sap te ne chen ko lai apa ni naga maka je chapo mo senai ma hi tlen ko na denga khan ma ban tok tu ram thanan ra te ka rian yan tuan chiu te ka khan ronan chuan lo te ka khan chun nan po ta me zai man e lo nan chang lai ma khan Jesse pa ko hi chom batlom ba chim ko du example Jesse pa he ro chuan he anau tar lo yes my husband cook when it necessary my husband clean the house there is no job as woman's job and man's job the only job that should be in the house is family job. Where family job, which it means that every member of the house do their part. My kafapa Jesse here kan ina ro chuan athiam big mi se. My son is the best cook in our house. I taught them when he was young that there is no job is too little for anybody. So if you want to eat, you should cook.
Kan masum bagai kan lo thang kan lom tu gender question le se chem mi along nak bantuk selai gender le yamu dang question from palumri oftentimes even when girl or women have so much potential to lead us we often shut them down because of their gender how do you think as Chin community could alter this norm nu pakhat chu nu ngak minau sinong nu pa si zonga mo nu pakhat chu akan skoi tu dinga a qualify tu mi a fit tu mi si ko na te in voi tam pi chu nu sironga hun ha le sinak ning chol han loin phikat kan tong leng mang chu kan ton leng mang mi chu zaitin da kan community an kan thlen kholai ten arwa
apakat naka mahicon piak nak atu adik lo mi tanha tampi adik lo mi katitaka kan upama mo for example this is one thing that I always address in all of my seminar. The first thing that we need to address in the church, that is the first place we need to address in the church. One thing that we need to address is that everyone, both men and women, are created in the image of God. That meant everybody is valuable, everybody is created by God, everybody is the carrier of the image of God. Patian mui samken milong kan se maranga pakat le pakat say dan ni niam naken ken zong ding salaw apani naka no ma apakat naka ma chon piak naka rem ha ma kan rem lo kho longa kan pakat le pakat upan naka kan nei lai mi hi no we are Christian for over 200 years. But we are not still clear that we are created in the image of God. We are still following the tradition, the old tradition. Lan liawin an kan chon piak mi for example nule kwang mo afa ken tukka ken o tha chin nante woman and gown, the more you beat the better the sound. That is not Christian. Everybody listen. That is not Christian. That is not the teaching from the Bible. We need to refuse that. I think we need to address that. So that is of course that is the teaching. The second thing is that we need to look at people for their talent, not on their gender. Let me tell you again. Look at people for their talent and their quality, not on gender. If you look at gender in the workplace, you will lose your workforce. The same thing in the church, the same thing everywhere. If you look at somebody and decide because she's a woman, she might not be able to do this. How do you know? Everybody, I want to ask you this question. How do you know she cannot do it? How do you know? Have you used them yet? See, kan mahi discrimination here. Kan lana kan mahi tuan kau lai lo new sironga. Zai tindan na thai naman rilo ato zai tindan na thai timi ka challenge tua kan duna. Use people by their talent. That is another one. And then also, woman, please, I want to ask you this. I want to tell you this. If you really believe that God has called you to do something, and if they don't use you, go somewhere that you can be used. Do not stop. Do not cry. Do something about it. Okay? Let's do something about it. Make our voice heard.
Thatuk kan long question dang laya kan kira kan kalai thatuk lai minau ni khoi ka hun kan pau zai bantuk lungputhita kan ise chi ding na kan dupi.
Oh, that's a tough one.
Yep.
For the young people, wherever you are, be proud of who you are. That's what I want to say. And then be proud of who you are. But do not look down on others. Yes? Do not look down on others. Respect. Those are some of the ideas that I want to put on the young people. Do not look down on yourself. Do not look down on others. Respect. That is one of the key that I think we needed in this world, where there is so many discriminations.
See, Thatuk. Lai minau dhani kan lung chua kan ngai tingai du mi lung puchu mi nau ta ha namla nang bang nau ta ha นักละมันนำrespect มีดังสอง respect ที่มีค่ะอาการจามีสิจนโกรำเสียงอินไกนิ่ง school system ฮีรำดัง US บรรทุกเสียร์โคอสิไลโมตั้งราองเขาลงมีบอลจ้าเจบรรทุกอินดา college ไกนักลำเสียร์โคสิไลสิลาวะเรียนหุ่นโคนักดิ่งสิงหาไม่ให้จูโกรำในกองไทยดูนักเลยสิจัง
Okay, mahicu atuhe koram lein tangsha onkolomimu mata kan tuju education system i atlen choma chang tukum thokaken mabantuk chama bui phi ong lowe songphya mabantuk kha omte lai lowe anma grade ning kan tangsha an ong te ka A grade B grade C grade te omte lai nan kai du na sia intana kha makhat thim kho sang lai apa ni nak tang sa ong lo mi mo tu tang re tiang lo ong mi to bo nak cha kan atu hi chu atu I just forgot the name of the school. Anyway, for this vocational school. I'm trying to find the word. Vocational schools are available. So those that do not pass high school in Myanmar can still go vocational school. They can learn, right now you can learn in mechanic and also electric, also sewing, also like designs and stuff like that. So there are so many other subjects that you can do.
Question ปัญหาเดตังสิจุ CYONA กองสิทันจัง CYONA convention ราย North America ทางชินมินาวตัมปีเลยุโรปมินาวหานหุ่นกันมุที่มินาวหานี้นักขรวอันอินฮาร์เตอร์มีอัจฉริยะนักซิจงอัจฉริยะนักซิจงอ่ะปักขัดอินกันชิมเข้าไหลมอ
คุราเฮอร์ตตักมีจุด talent หินนันเนยตตัก Yeah, you are a talented bunch of people. I am so proud of you, and I want you to know that you are such a talented young people, and that also I am very impressed with the educational level. Your interest in education makes me really, really proud. Because education is going to be the key for our people and our young people. So I am really pleased to see that.
CYONA เรียนตัวนักใจมาจัดในไทยสิโก้ใจบรรทุกเรียนโปรแกรมพุนดาให้ระยะโฟกัสเดียวอินตัวเตอร์นัดูหานักันดูตัวนับพึ่งฮุกปีตมปัลให้ไปไต่มู่
maka nin subject in very interesting, like for example last night the depression ของนั้นชิมมีตนาเกอัฐาตุกเรียนจันมาบรรทุกมินโนเฮเปตไลมี subject เกอัตมเดียวกันนั้นชิมหาวเอมานั้นชิมที่สองกันมาบรรทุก talk show ลองกันสลาเวนตรงประเทศโฟกัสเดียวกันชุนักกันคลาสเดียวเด็กค่ะอาจารย์นายประคัตปนิเดโมดัง subject โพสองค่ะนายประคัตปนิเดเคนันเทชีอาจจะมาทาหลายเตียงกับมุก
กันลมดัง advice เราจะ comment ที่บรรทุกที่การทูมีเดียเตสิเซออนไลน์กันจงมีเดียเตสินหาเซ advice รัวนักเชี่ยวนักดูมินหามอ closing statement กันตัวท่านะ
advice กันเป็กดูมินาจูประคัตนักประคัตนักมาบรรทุก convention กันตัวเตกะขันเนาะอาหารมีเที่ยวกับตัมปีเนาะไก่มากสินเองอาหารบิ๊กมีกติมิจูไก่มาก็เบียก็ชิมเลี้ยวคืออันนู้นเลยเบียนินชิมนี่ก็อาหารตัวอีเทงกับมูมารอกัน please นังมานี่โมมาไก่นั่นนี่มาคือนั่นหดไล่ไก่มานั่นมาในห้องที่เสียจะไก่มาก็ได้จังเลยมาคือ advice ไปกันดูนะมาให้จู respect คือสิ yes ไม่เลยอันชิมมีเกนังมาในชิมมีบันตุเกง่ายเสียตีนันดูอาจุน please respect
จะลองดู tu bantukin question hal mi zong nan chunga kan ilom ti tu kachim bantukan divial te hi online arami minong pulen hal mi si an haling ti na masina kan lanter mi si tuna ma zong lum sau te na kan phini kan ilom kan chan zong bun di chang cha khan adong naka closing statement kan ti ko lai tu zan zong he tu hi CYONA convention rami ha sina adong nang na bi chim zong selai cha khan mini pen hi pathum phongin adong nak bi cha nak te na du mi pau azai ko khan kan tua nak kan tua ko
nan dai di yang ke hak lai apakat naga chim kadu mi chu nan za pi chunga khen ka lom tak te maka yama sa chim kadu young people you rock come on applause yourself give a big hand you did a good job The reason I came, because I believe in you. I believe that you can do this. Yes? I believe that you will fly. And I believe that you are flying. And I just came here to be a part of this. And I told my husband this. I love being with young people because they make me feel young. No offense, older people. I don't want to be beside you because you made me feel so old. Because I want new idea, I want new insight, I want new energy, I want new positive change happen in our community. For that, I applaud all the leadership of CYO and then also all the leaderships of CYO in all across the world. Rampi chung zawa sese atu ram lang zawa sese ummi CYO mino roi tu nale mino vialte nanza pi chunga pathian ni atharin chwa imbe chingau na se Adong na pika jetsa kan du mina chu lai mi le pathian hi chu kan ni then kholo Yes lai mi le pathian hi chu kan ni then kholo The Bible says wisdom comes from God. Wisdom, the beginning of wisdom is the fear of God. So I want to encourage all the young people today, wherever you are, always hold on to God, believe in God, and go with God. One of the reason why we are here, why we are in the position of as a vice president of Myanmar, and I believe truly in my heart that it was only because of God. God is faithful, and as well as He called us to be faithful to Him as well. So I hope that you are inspired by the stories that you heard about us, and I hope one of the person that wrote this, the person says, before my husband became vice president, we don't even dare to dream. We don't even dare to dream to the position of vice president. But you know what? Right now, young people, we dare to dream. Now we dare to dream. I hope that you are challenged. Not only that, I hope that you are challenged to be the best that you can be. And I want to encourage you this, that if you are in a bachelor level, I wish that you will go for master. If you are master, I hope for you that you will go for PhD. Because you know what? You can do it. If you set your mind, you can do it. This is one thing I told my children, and I want to leave them with you. I told my children that we started education without knowing English very much. Like last night, I told you, 2 nights ago, I told you that I started with not even able to speak English very well. But if a person like me can achieve PhD, then those that are already speaking English very well, you can go like 3 PhDs. Yeah? You can do it if you want to. But I want to tell you one thing also. If PhD is not for you, if education is not for you, I want to encourage you as well. Whatever it is you do in business, there is one thing I want to encourage you. Young people of Chimp, young people, please create, think, and then also do businesses, creative, entrepreneurship, all those things. Be creative, be different. You don't have to be like anybody else. Be different. Do not apologize to be different, but do something about it. But whenever you do it with an excellent spirit. Do it with an excellent spirit. Do it with an excellent spirit. May God bless you as you go in your journey. And I hope that you are inspired. And I am looking forward to hearing how you have achieved from after you've gone back. And also be inspire someone. Be inspire someone. Thank you.
Q&A